In a political blow to the ruling party, a total of 78 voters representing 22 families officially left the BJP and joined Tibra Mota party on Tuesday. The mass defection took place during an organizational program in the Panwa village committee area at the 9 Halahali Asrambari constituency. The newcomers were formally welcomed into the party fold by MDC Prasmit Barma, who presented them with party flags.
Speaking at the event, the MDC claimed that the widespread deprivation forced the families to switch sides. He alleged that the families were systematically denied essential government welfare schemes and facilities under the current administration, leaving them with no choice but to seek allegiance. He added that the residents have now placed their absolute faith in the ideology and vision of Bubagra for the development and security of the indigenous population.
Andarangkai 9 Halahali Asrambari tini ko Panwa bisio sini 22 family ni 78 butar ini BJP erpore CPM party yakroi tini sini Tibra Mota borok hai sopaika hai hapaika sini thansani mariwo abon bagai ang mo 9 Halahali Asrambari khoroksen bisingoi tini ani yak baithang bono borok no je 22 family ni 78 buta no ang lamsuka belai keno tongthong mani koklayo karon gai turuk je tini je phaniro baksa sini hindustani bosuni borok botongo gai te tamneni te kungni bosuni borok botongo especially tini gai sini hindustan bosuni borok no bisi kabang abon bagai borok ni bai kok sawai saimaka borok ni je asuk din romo je borok je agio borok je party khai tomani o party khai tomani o borok kono sujog subida maya bongno je kono meeting misilong kaisimi lang thangjago gari o kawai kintu o je kono sujog subida ba mane hune phaipokai borok barjagya je boyjona je mo bisio je lit khai tomani borok simna naharai sai pai ke nei borok sama kana gabon bagai borok o party o tonam sungjalia o party no yakare ini Tibra Mota o bana phairam phake aba hageno sini salburum burum no sini tamne nabo joining soba ba sini lamsungani panda singabo khlai tongo khakhayo sini je BC election village committee election ni sigangno ani je 9 Halahali Asrambari ni je constituency ni joto kubni party o je tongtomani o borok no angkha khayo hamjamani bisingtui te sujog subida rimani bisingtui sini party o bongnang ti phebe mane nei karon kai turuk mohagena joining soba khamen bisingtui jeng feedback ba kamne mane tongo sini Bubagra no borok hamjago Bubagra no simino tabuk ekmato asa nei borok sawo je Bubagra no kono kisu khlai riman sinai abo hai asa rok nugjago borok ambagi bongno mo belaki hambai mario te borno sentini Tibra Mota ningai lamsoka ini o lamsonga pandawo sini 45 block committee ni president sini muchang tofon tongo sini TWF ni district ni vice president sini borong ranjak madam Radharani tongo sini BC ni vice chairman Orun gaite sini Chaudhary rok tongo borok bai jotana belai ke hambai.
Reported by Biplab from Khwai, Chini Khorang.